Do I need an accountant? Or can I file my taxes online myself? If that question's been bugging you, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of hiring an accountant versus using an online tax filing tool like SelfTax.co.uk. Let's help you make the smart, money-saving decision. Accountant or SelfTax? What's right for you? Let's be honest, accountants can be a great investment if you have complex finances. Here's when you might actually need one. You own a limited company. You have multiple income streams, including investments or foreign income. You need in-depth tax planning for large portfolios. You're facing an HMRC investigation or audit. Accountants are great for custom advice, especially when thousands of pounds are at stake. But they can also be pricey. Good for complex tax cases. Costly. On average, UK accountants charge £250 to £600 or more just to file a self-assessment return. Add consultations or bookkeeping, and that number goes up fast. If you're self-employed, a landlord, or a freelancer with straightforward finances, you might be paying too much for something you could do yourself. Paying for peace of mind, or just overpaying. Now let's talk about SelfTax, a smart, simple way to file your tax return online without paying accountant-level fees. Here's when SelfTax is perfect for you. You're self-employed with basic income and expenses. You're a freelancer, contractor, or side hustler. You have rental income from 1 or 2 properties. You earn under £85,000 and don't need to register for VAT. You want to save money and file fast. File smart, save money, do it yourself. You'll still be HMRC compliant. You'll still claim the right expenses, but you'll pay a fraction of what you'd pay an accountant. Visit selftax.co.uk and click the Start for Free button to create a free account with us. Then log in to your SelfTax account. On this page, first read the descriptions provided with the forms and select the forms that are relevant to you. After selecting the forms, you can easily navigate between them displayed here. Once you have selected the forms, please input your tax information into their relevant boxes and leave the remaining form fields empty, as they do not pertain to you. Before submission, please convert any documents you wish to attach into PDF format and upload them here. For your self-assessment this year, choose Original if it's your first submission. If you're submitting an amended version, note the changes in box 19 of the SA100 before selecting Amended, and be sure to download your return for error checking prior to submission. On this page, our software will analyze your entered data for any technical errors or discrepancies. Once our software verifies all technical errors, you can submit your self-assessment directly to HMRC servers by clicking the Go for Live Submission button. Unless your situation is complex, SelfTax gives you everything you need to file quickly, safely, and affordably. Best value for simple returns. selftax.co.uk. Even if you're not a tax expert, you're not alone. SelfTax provides step-by-step help and support, so you can file confidently, even on your first try. We've got your back, 24/7. At the end of the day, whether you hire an accountant or use an online tool like SelfTax comes down to your situation. But if you want to save money, skip the stress, and file from your sofa, SelfTax is made for you. File smart. File with selftax.co.uk. Subscribe for tax tips every week.